बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये लेसन 50 है जिसमें हम आज इनफ विद एडजेक्टिव्स, एडवर्ब्स एंड नाउन स्टडी करेंगे। सो विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू लेट्स स्टार्ट द लेसन। The word enough changes position depending on whether it is modifying a noun, it is using whether it's an adjective or adverb. तो डिपेंडिंग कि आप इनफ को किस के साथ इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, नाउन, एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब, इन तीनों के साथ इसकी जो पोजीशन होगी वो चेंज हो जाएगी। व्हेन मॉडिफाइंग एन एडजेक्टिव और एन एडवर्ब, इनफ इज़ ऑलवेज फॉलोज। सो अगर आपने इनफ को यूज़ करना है एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब के बाद, तो ऐसे में इस कंडीशन में वो हमेशा एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब के बाद यूज़ होगा। इट फॉलोज एडजेक्टिव एंड एडवर्ब। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, are those french fries crisp enough for you? So the word crisp is actually adjective. So जब हमने enough को use करेंगे तो this should come after the adjective. So it sounds like are those french fries crisp enough for you? Furthermore, she speaks Spanish well enough to be in interpreter. So इसमें आपके पास adverb well है, उसके बाद हमारे पास word enough का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है। Another example is it is not cold enough to wear a heavy jacket. So the word cold is adjective. As a result, the word enough comes after it. When modifying a noun, enough precedes the noun. अगर आपने इसी word enough को noun के साथ mention करेंगे तो ऐसे में noun comes before the word, enough comes before the word noun. For example, do you have enough sugar for the cake? So the word enough comes before noun. Jake bought enough red paint to finish the barn. Again, enough comes before the noun phrase red paint. Another example, he does not have enough money to attend the concert. So the word money is noun, so the word enough comes before it. Another important thing to notice is the noun that is modified by enough may sometimes be deleted with no change in the meaning. In case of अगर आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं noun को with word enough के साथ, तो ऐसे में अगर आप word noun को omit भी कर देते हैं sentence के साथ, still only the word enough left makes the sense of the sentence. For example, I forgot my money. Do you have enough? So अगर आप इसमें लिखते हैं do you have enough money, so the sentence still makes sense. और अगर आप इन्हीं को skip भी कर देते हैं, just like here, do you have enough, तो still it makes sense that you are asking about enough. So we understand that the speaker means enough money. So you in fact you omit the word noun, and yet the word enough is still enough, sufficient to make the sense of the meaning. So this was all about this word enough when you are using with noun, adjectives and adverbs. अब हम इसकी exercise को एक बार go through करते हैं. These are 10 question exercise. This is the first slide with 5 questions. इसके अंदर आपके पास parentheses में enough और enough followed by a word, a noun, adjective और adverb, और the word comes before and enough is after. तो आपने इसको sense करना है sentence को कि यहाँ पे आपका word enough को either should come before noun and enough should comes after adjective and adverb. तो इसके हिसाब से आपने sentence को आंसर करना है। अब हम next 5 questions देख लेते हैं. So this is 10 question exercise. Just pause your video here, answer all these questions, and I hope it makes sense to you because it's a very quick, simple answers. और and for those who are done with an exercise, हम अब answers को start करते हैं. So just आपको quick recap दे दूँ. Enough should come before noun and it should come after adjective and adverbs. So let's start the answers. First question is, there were not enough people to have the meeting, because the word people is a noun, so the word enough should come before the word. The second question is, Ellen has learned. Again, the word French is noun, so the word enough should come before it, so it should be enough French and not French enough. Question 3 is, do you have enough time to talk now? Again, the word time is noun, so the word enough time should come instead of time enough. Question 4, she drove enough fast or fast enough to win the race. Since the word fast is an adjective, so as a result she drove fast enough to win the race. The word enough should come after the adjective fast. Question 5, Mike will graduate from law school enough soon or soon enough to join his father's firm. Since the word soon, again it's an adjective, so the word soon enough should come after the adjective and it becomes soon enough. Question number 6, we arrived early enough to have some coffee before class began. Again, this is an adjective, so as a result हमारे पास इसका जो आंसर होगा that should be early enough, and enough should comes after adjective. This is question 7, it has rained hard enough to flood the low lying areas. Again, the hard is आपका adjective है, so enough should come after the word adjective. Question 8, you should type enough slowly or slowly enough that you will not make an error. The word slowly then adverb, and adverb में भी आपका जो enough word होगा that comes after adverb, so this will be slowly enough. Question 9, he has just enough flour to bake the loaf of the bread. Since flour is noun, so flour, so the enough word should comes before the noun. Question 10, there are enough books for each student to have one. So the word book is nouns, therefore the word enough should comes before noun. So this was all about the questions regarding the word enough when to deal with it with nouns, adjectives, adverbs. I hope this all makes sense. If it does, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family.